If you have a split air conditioner system and you feel like it's not cooling or working in full capacity, chances are your filter may be dirty. So let's see how to change the filter. Number one, turn it off. All right, open the lid by prying from back here on both sides, and the lid will pop out. And usually there's a catch, so just push it up, it'll stay up. As you can see, it just stays up like that. Now you can see the filter here, and you can see, as expected, it's plenty dirty. So you could remove these filters and basically wash them off. Let's do that. And there are two filters here, so we'll remove both of them and see how they go. The tab is facing forward, so you'll remember that. And let's wash them. And just rinse them off. You can see how dirty it is. Do it on both sides. Scrub them if needed, and once they are thoroughly rinsed, let it dry. So let it dry for 10 minutes before you can put it back in. All right, after letting it dry out in the sun for like 10 minutes, let's put it back. Okay, putting it back should be fairly simple. Slide it along the groove, and it should go right back in. The center locks first, and then you can lock the other two tabs, and that's it. Both these filters are installed. Now we can put the lid back on. Just make sure they don't wiggle. Lock the lid. And finally, you're ready to start the AC again. Okay, let's turn on the AC. And the hope is you'll have a much better cooling and much better airflow when it comes to this split AC blowing into the room. And that's how you change a filter or clean the filter on a split ductless air conditioner system. This is really important. Do it once in 3 months or 2 months or something like that. Make sure it's clean so it's working fully efficient. If it still doesn't perform well, then you have a major problem where there is refrigerant is leaking somewhere, and that you can probably recharge it or fix it by consulting with the HVAC technician or trying to look at my other videos of HVAC installation to see how to do that or put a new mini split. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Check out the links for my other video for HVAC installation for this particular mini split, and also subscribe to the channel. I'll see you then.